Oh, hi, Ashley. I was just thinking. There are so many English words. I try to learn them, but most of them I never use.
Yeah, I know that feeling. It's like learning words for nothing. You study, but then you forget because you don't use them.
Exactly. So, how do I learn the words that are really useful? The words I'll say every single day.
That's easy. Let's start with your bag.
My bag?
Yes, what's in your bag shows your real life. If you learn those words, you'll use them all the time.
Okay, that makes sense. My bag has some useful things, but I bet your bag has even more surprises.
Surprises? Maybe. So let's make it fun. We'll open our bags one by one and learn English with every item.
A bag challenge. I like it. Let's start.
Tom, let's start with the school bag. What's the first thing you have?
Easy. A notebook. I always carry one.
A notebook. Do you really write in it?
Well, yes, but my handwriting is messy. Really messy.
Messy writing. I know that feeling.
Exactly.
Okay, notebook. What else?
Pens and markers. I like colorful markers.
Colorful markers make study more fun.
Oh, and I always bring a charger.
A charger. Good word. Let's explain. A charger is the cable you use when your phone or laptop has no power.
Right. No charger, no phone.
Exactly. So in a school bag, you have notebook, pens, markers, and charger.
Wait, I also keep sneakers inside sometimes,
Sneakers? Why sneakers?
in case we have sports class.
Sports class. Got it. That makes sense.
So, my school bag has notebook, markers, charger, and sneakers.
Nice list. My turn. I carry a notebook too, but also a highlighter.
A highlighter?
Yes, it's a special pen. It makes bright yellow lines on important words.
Oh, I see. Highlight means make it bright.
Exactly. So my school bag has notebook, pens, highlighter, and, of course, snacks.
Snacks? In class?
Yes, when class is long, I need energy.
Okay, fair. So, in a school bag, we can find notebook, pens, markers, highlighter, charger, sneakers, and snacks.
Perfect. That's the school bag.
Ashley, I always hear people say, let the cat out of the bag. What does that even mean? There's no cat in my bag.
No, Tom. It means to tell a secret when you don't plan to.
Oh, like if I told everyone you eat chocolate at midnight?
Tom, that's it. You let the cat out of the bag.
Okay, lesson learned. No real cats, just secrets.
Okay, Tom. Now it's my turn. This is my purse.
Purse? What's that exactly?
A purse is a small bag for women. You carry it in your hand or on your shoulder.
Ah, got it. A small bag for daily things.
Right. And first, I always bring lip balm.
Lip balm?
Lip balm is like soft cream for your lips. When your lips feel dry or cracked, you put lip balm to make them smooth.
Okay. Lip balm makes lips soft and comfortable.
Exactly. Next, I have a small mirror. I use it to check my face before class.
That's so you, Ashley. Always ready.
And here's hand sanitizer. It's clear liquid to clean your hands when there's no soap and water.
Ah, sanitizer. I use it too, after taking the bus.
See? Simple but useful.
Not bad. But now my bag. It's not a purse. It's my tech bag.
Tech bag? Let's see.
First, my laptop. I use it for class and, okay, sometimes for games.
Of course you do.
Then, my charger. A charger is the cable to give your phone or laptop more power.
Right. No charger, no battery.
And headphones. I use them to watch videos without bothering people.
Smart. Headphones give you private sound.
Finally, my power bank. It's a small extra battery for my phone when I'm outside.
Nice. So your bag is heavy but smart. Laptop, charger, headphones, power bank.
And your bag is light, but pretty. Lip balm, mirror, sanitizer.
See, Tom, you know all the English words for your tech bag very well. That's because you love tech.
True. When I like something, I learn the words fast.
Exactly. That's why we start with our bags. They show real life, and that makes English easier to remember. All right, my turn again. This is my gym bag. Let's see what's inside.
Finally, I've always wondered what you carry.
First, a towel. A towel is for drying sweat after exercise. Super important.
Oh, so you don't just use it after a shower.
Right. In the gym, people use towels to wipe sweat from their face or arms.
Got it. Towel equals sweat helper.
Next, a water bottle. I always bring water because after a workout, I'm really thirsty.
Yeah, that's smart. Water bottle's easy.
And here's a protein bar. Do you know what protein is, Tom?
Is it like strong food?
Exactly. Protein is the part of food that helps your body grow muscles. Chicken, eggs, beans, they all have protein.
Okay, so protein bar equals snack for muscles.
Perfect. And of course, gym clothes. I keep a light t-shirt and sneakers here, so I don't work out in jeans.
I tried that once. Very bad idea.
I believe you. So, in my gym bag, I have towel, water bottle, protein bar, gym clothes, and sneakers.
Wow, very professional.
Thanks. But wait until we check your gym bag later. I bet we'll only find a pair of smelly socks.
Hey, don't expose my secrets before we even look. Hey, Ashley, did you know our school told us we should prepare an emergency bag?
Really? That's smart. Do you know what emergency means?
I think it means a big disaster.
Not only, emergency means a problem you didn't expect.
Oh, so emergency can be small too.
Exactly. In an emergency bag, you can find an umbrella, a Band-Aid, maybe even a first aid kit.
First aid kit?
It's a little box with medicine and Band-Aids. You use it for small health problems.
Oh, I see. That's useful.
Yes, so an emergency bag is not scary. It's just smart.
Okay, I get it now. From school bags to party bags, even emergency bags. We learned a lot today.
And every item gave us new English words.
Right. Learning English from real life.
Exactly. And that's why we started with what's in your bag.
And now we have the answer.
Yes. See you next time with another story from daily life.
And before we go, tell us what's in your bag. Share it in the comments.
Great idea, Tom. We'd love to see what you carry every day.